whatever the lights are scattered, these having the 3 types of lights. That means 3 rays of lights are there. First are in the category, those frequencies are equal to the incident light. What they are incident, that means monochromatic light. The frequency is equal to that light. So they are called relay line of rays. But 2 more type of rays are there. One is anti-Stokes and other is Stokes line of rays. So these anti-Stokes and Stokes line of rays are called Raman's effect. Understood? So this is a Raman's effect. So now on this topic, that Raman's effect, we are going to discuss the things on the topic. Our today's topic is India's achievement in space research, right? So under this topic I am going to invite you all to present your speeches. So first of all, I would like to invite R. Sharnav to deliver his speech. R. Sharnav.
Chandrayaan-1 was launched on 22nd October 2008. It operated for almost an year and helped discover evidence of water molecules on Moon. India's first interplanetary mission, Mangalyaan or Mars Orbiter mission, was launched on 5th November 2013. This mission made India the first Asian country to get to the planet Mars and the only country in the world to be able to achieve this feat in the first attempt.
First Indian satellite was Aryabhat. Now let us talk about ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization, also known as ISRO, is the National Space Agency of the Republic of India, headquartered in Bangalore. It operates under Department of Space, which is directly overseen by the Prime Minister of India, while Chairman of ISRO acts as executive of Department of Space as well.
But was launched on 19 April 1975. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first mission to the moon. It became the first lunar mission to discover existence of water on the moon. The Mars Orbiter mission or Mangalyaan was launched into Earth orbit on 5th November 2000 and has entered Mars orbit on 24th September 2014. India is the first country to enter Mars orbit in first attempt. Thank you.
Some of the other top achievements of the ISRO are launch of INSET in 1983, development of the RLV, launch of SRE-1 in 2007, launch of Chandrayaan-1 in 2008, launch of 104 satellites in one mission in 2017, launch of Mangalyaan or MOM in 2014.
When we talk about the world's science, space is the first thing which comes to our mind. ISRO or the Indian Space Research Organization is the National Space Agency of India. Its achievement has often shocked the whole world. So now I will be telling you some of its achievements. The first one is Satellite Launch Vehicle. It was a project.
On today's topic, India achievement in space research. Aryan Mishra.
A very good and pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Aryan Mishra of class 8B, is in front of you to deliver a speech on the topic India's achievement in the space research. India, the country which is growing now in every field, whether it is sports or technology. The country is now coming forward in everything, not only on Earth, but India is also achieving a lot in the space.
By launching foreign satellites. ISRO has entered worldwide name and fame by conducting extraterrestrial space missions successfully. The first such extraterrestrial mission was Chandrayaan-1, first mission to the moon.
satellite Aryabhat in 1965, ISRO has come a long way ahead. Its first extraterrestrial mission was Chandrayaan-2 mission to the moon. Other was Mangalyaan. Like this, it had launched INSET series, IRS series, Radar Imaging Satellites, South Asia Satellite, Gagan Indigenous Satellite Navigation System. It created a world record in February 2017 by launching 104 satellites in a single rocket. By June 2017, ISRO had launched 278 satellites, of which 209 were foreigners. Chandrayaan-2 was another endeavor of ISRO into the deep space. ISRO is going to send another lander in 2021. ISRO is working in coordination and other remote space agencies such as NASA and European Space Agency in the world in space research and exploration mission. Thus, all these missions are India's achievement in space research.
In 2017, India had launched 104 satellites in a single rocket. India is the first country to go to Mars in single attempt. In 2015, India had created a record of the heaviest commercial mission carrying
7.5 in GSLV D5, launched of GSAT-14. ISRO sent a lunar orbital Chandrayaan-1 on 22 October 2008, which discovered lunar water in the form of ice and Mars observer mission. On 15 November 2013, which entered Mars orbits on 24 September 2014, making the India's first nation to succeed on its maiden attempt to Mars, as well as the first agency in Asia to search Mars objects. On 18 June 2016, ISRO launched 20...
And all my dear friends, today is a very auspicious day as today because we are celebrating National Science Day. I am Shreya Tripathi of class 8C and today I am going to present an article on the topic India's achievements in space research. Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, was established on 15th of August 1969. It was headquartered in the Bangalore. Some great personalities like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Dr. K. Radhakrishnan and many more has contributed a lot in India's space field. Now let us have a look on India's great achievements. The first, Aryabhat project in 1975. India built a satellite that was known as Aryabhat and which was launched by the Soviet Union on 19th of April 1975. The second, the Rohini in 1980. Rohini was the first satellite to be launched in the Earth's orbit.
The Committee for the Space Research. In 1969, the Government of India, for the purpose of the rapid development, established the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. That was by the Vikram Sarabhai at the Ahmedabad at him in the chairman position there, and the organization was headquartered in the Bangalore. Some of the major achievements of the India space programs are in the successful launch with the
in 1969 as ISRO, India Space Research Organization. In India, manufacturing of satellite development and launching are done by ISRO.
India's achievement in space research. India research.
Divya want to speak on this topic, and the topic is the.
On this date, Rohini became the first satellite to be placed into the orbit by the Indian-made launch satellite or vehicle known as SLV-3. May 20, 1902, Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle ASLV and INSAT-2A were launched on this date. October 22, 2008, ISRO launched unmanned lunar orbiter known as Chandrayaan-1 or the Mars mission.